Do you want to go from 0 to 10k a month online in just 90 days? Well then listen up. Most people think going from 0 to $10,000 a month online in just 90 days is impossible. Like it's some sort of fairy tale reserved for influencers with huge followings or gurus that are burning through thousands of dollars a week on ads. But the truth is, I could lose everything tomorrow, my income, my audience, my assets, and I'd still know exactly how to rebuild. And I'd do it with affiliate marketing. Not drop shipping, not Amazon FBA, not starting some complicated side hustle with inventory, supplies or warehouses. I'd do it with a laptop, my phone, and 2 solid affiliate offers. One high value product that sells for $100 with 50% commissions, and one $30 a month subscription that pays 50% recurring commissions. That's $50 up front and $15 every single month per customer. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'd go from 0 to 10k a month online in just 90 days using exactly that model. We'll break it down month by month, the foundation, the momentum, and then the scale. Stick with me until the end because if you skip a step, you'll stay stuck. And at the end, I'll also give you a free resource, my affiliate starter pack, so you can shortcut the setup and launch much faster. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's get one thing clear before we get into the plan. Most people fail online. It's sad, but it's true. And it's not because they're lazy or anything like that. It's because they're doing the wrong things. They're either promoting $10 Amazon gadgets that pay them 3% commissions. Do the math. That's 30 cents per sale. You need 1.6 million sales in a month just to hit 50k. That is insane. Or they're grinding out random content every day without a funnel to capture leads. They might get likes, maybe a follower here or there, but nothing's translating into sales because there's no system to back it up. And then there are the people who think that they need 100,000 followers before they can make a single dollar. So they burn out before they ever see any results. That's why most beginners quit within the first few months. But the winners? Well, they play smarter. They focus on high value offers that actually pay. They use systems that multiply their efforts instead of grinding harder for pennies. And most importantly, they stick at it long enough to let compounding take over. So as we go through this roadmap, remember this. It's not about hustle for hustle's sake. It's about leverage. And leverage is what will take you from 0 to 10k a month. Okay, so let's talk about the first 30 days. This is when most people overcomplicate everything and stall out before they've ever got started. If I was starting at 0, here's exactly what I would do. First, you want to pick a niche that you actually enjoy. Something like health, wealth, relationships, or hobbies. It's best to stick with something evergreen. Evergreen just means that people are spending money on it 5 years ago, they're spending money on it now, and they'll be spending money on it 5 years from now. Next, I'll pick 2 rock solid offers. One $100 digital product that pays me 50% commission. So that's $50 every time someone buys. And I'll pick one subscription product at $30 a month with a 50% recurring commission. So that's $15 every single month for as long as the customers stay subscribed. Don't just pick random offers. Pick something worthwhile that will actually sell. Okay, so I'd pick 2 offers, but why 2? Well, I'd pick 2 because the $100 product gives you quick wins and cash flow. And the subscription builds long-term recurring income that's going to compound every month. That combination is the engine that gets you to 10k a month. Step 3 would be to build my funnel. Nothing overly complicated, just a simple 3-page funnel. Far too many people overcomplicate this and end up spending weeks building some 17-page funnel. You don't need it. It's a complete waste of time and energy. I've found a simple 3-page funnel tends to be the highest converting. So page 1, you want an opt-in page where you give away a freebie like a guide, a checklist, or a mini training in exchange for someone's email. On page 2, you need a bridge page where you thank them for opting in and you build trust and naturally recommend your product. Then finally, page 3 is the product creator's offer page, which is already done for you. You send people there through your unique link, so you don't need to build it yourself. Okay, so our last step is to commit to posting at least one short form video a day. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are all free platforms that can go viral overnight. Each video should aim to solve a tiny problem in your niche. It should deliver value in under a minute, and it must end with a call to action to grab your freebie. That's what drives people into your funnel. Always send them to your freebie rather than your paid product. Your conversion rate will be far higher sending people to your freebie first because it helps build trust. Now, mindset wise, don't expect big money yet. People often go into affiliate marketing expecting to be hitting 10k a week in the first few weeks, but that's just not realistic. You can make that sort of money and far more than that, but it takes some time to build up. These first 30 days are all about planting seeds. You're getting the machine built and you're getting into the habit of showing up every single day. Okay, now we're in days 31 to 60. This is the momentum phase. This is where things really start to get moving. By now, you've already got your funnel live, you've been posting daily short form content, you're starting to see the email addresses coming in, and if you've been consistent, you'll probably have made your first few commissions. So here's where the numbers start to get exciting. Let's say you make just 5 sales a week of your $100 product. That's $250 a week or $1,000 a month. Then add in 10 subscriptions across the month. That's another $150 a month in reoccurring income. Doesn't sound life-changing yet, but remember, this is just the start. Every day you stick at it, things will build and compound. Now, the trap most people fall into is that they quit right here. They think, I've been doing this for a month or two, I've only made a few hundred, it's not working, it's not worth my time. But that's like planting seeds and then digging them up the next day to see if they've grown. This is the foundation of your 10k a month system. You need to keep stacking. So by the end of the 60 days, if you've been consistent, you could realistically have 500 or more people on your email list, 1k plus in one-off commissions, and $300 plus in reoccurring commissions. And more importantly, you'll have momentum. People are starting to recognize your name, your content is getting traction, and every email subscriber is another chance for sales every single week. So don't slow down. Keep posting daily, keep nurturing your list, and keep driving traffic into your funnel. Because phase 3 is where everything starts to compound. Okay, now we hit days 61 to 90. This is the scaling phase. At this point, the system is built, you've proven it works, and you're making consistent sales. Now it's all about doubling down and multiplying your results. So here's what I'd do. I'd ramp up my content from 1 short a day to 2 or maybe even 3. Why would I do this? Well, I'd do it because now you're going to be making them a lot faster and you know what works and what doesn't. And of course, doubling your output doubles your odds of going viral. So let's talk numbers. If by now you're making, say, 20 sales per week of your $100 product, that's $1,000 a week or $4K a month. Add in 100 active subscriptions paying you $15 a month each, that's another $1,500 in reoccurring income. In total, that's 5.5K in month 3. But remember, reoccurring income compounds. So if all the 100 people stay subscribed, then next month you're at over 7K, add another 50 subs the month after, and suddenly you're at over 9K. And that's how the 10K a month pace hits by the 90-day mark. And then it keeps growing from there. Now, if you want to accelerate things even faster, this is the point where you can reinvest some of your profits into ads. Run ads to your freebie or even to recruit affiliates of your own. But you don't have to. The organic model alone can carry you to 10K a month easily if you stay consistent. It will just take a little bit longer. This is the tipping point. You've gone from planting seeds to harvesting the fruits. And now the system is doing all of the heavy lifting for you. So let's recap. Phase 1. This is days 1 to 30. Pick a niche, choose 2 offers, build your funnel, and start posting daily. Phase 2. days 31 to 60, build momentum, start stacking commissions, and build your email list. Phase 3, days 61 to 90, you scale up. Double down on what works, let your reoccurring income snowball, and push towards that 10k a month mark. And remember, 10k a month isn't some dream reserved for gurus or influencers. It's all in the numbers and systems. And once you commit to showing up daily, the numbers start stacking up. Now, you've got two options. You can either take this roadmap, figure it out on your own, and maybe in a year you'll get there. Or you can shortcut the whole process today. I've put together a free affiliate starter pack with the exact templates and tools that you need to launch your first funnel fast. Plus, if you want to go even deeper on the mindset behind scaling, then grab a copy of my book. Both links are down in the description below. And finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just watch someone else win. Take action now and build your system.